Makiko Tsuda. Continuing from last week, I'll be bringing you some of the highlights of CEATEC 2025.
Last time, Makiko tried out cutting-edge AI technologies, repeatedly losing to an unbeatable rock-paper-scissors machine and trying to hit a ball out of an almost inescapable sand bunker. This time, we'll be introducing technologies that utilize generative AI to create societies that offer fun and safety, as well as autonomous driving systems.
I've come to CEATEC today. You're back at CEATEC. Sounds fun. It properly listens to what I'm saying and answers. Amazing.
Poketomo is a conversational AI character developed by Sharp Corporation that allows for voice communications through its proprietary AI technology called CELLM. Interactions with the user are all memorized, and through repeated dialogue, it can carry out conversations tailored to each individual.
What kind of technology does it use? It remembers conversations. And there's also a camera to capture visual data. There's also location-based information. All of those interactions are memorized. Based on that memory, it can converse with users accordingly. How do you see this developing? The development system for this Poketomo is being applied to various products of our company. For example, to talk to users about cooking, or as a conversation partner on the TV screen. In doing so, it can better understand users, allowing it to offer better services tailored to them.
At NEC's booth, Makiko is trying out a system that utilizes generative AI to provide driving advice and support.
I'm actually feeling quite nervous driving.
Here, we combine image recognition technology, generative AI, and large language models. And from hours of video, it extracts key information relevant to the user and turns that into a text format. This technology is the first of its kind in the world.
The demo machine runs for about a minute. The user drives through city streets shown on the display in front.
With this driving simulator, in addition to the video, sensor data, such as on the speed and acceleration, is also analyzed and converted into text.
The analysis report documents information such as the driving conditions and handling in each situation. Using the driving data that's been analyzed, it generates expert-level driving evaluations and advice.
Where will this technology be used?
In regards to image recognition technology, it can use video to document what's happening in the manufacturing and construction fields. And we think it's applicable to needs, such as generating daily logs.
In realizing true autonomous driving, accurate maps are essential. Providing such maps as high-precision three-dimensional data to car-related companies, as well as the national and regional governments, is a company called Dynamic Map Platform.
How is this different from car navigation maps?
Car navigators use data seen by people. They allow people to look at maps and set destinations and provide route navigation. But high-precision three-dimensional data isn't seen by people and is only read by machines.
The image shown on the monitor appears to be an expressway junction. But
It looks like a picture.
This is called point cloud data, and it's entirely comprised of clusters of points. Each point holds data on the latitude, longitude, and elevation in centimeters, and you can understand all coordinates on the face of the Earth. As it is, it's difficult to use for autonomous driving, so only useful information is extracted. For example, signs for car lanes and traffic signals are extracted, converted into organized data, and made lighter for use.
By using high-precision three-dimensional data, it's also possible to know where a snow-covered roadside is. They say having that knowledge beforehand makes snow removal work smoother.
How do you see this being used in the future?
Our company's vision is modeling the Earth. We're working to digitalize the entire Earth. We want to accurately recreate the world on a one-to-one scale on computer servers as much as possible. And by combining that with various dynamic data and information, we hope to build a platform to analyze, forecast, and manage everything under the sun.
It's hoped that these innovative technologies and ideas can be turned into practical products to help solve social and other issues and ultimately make our own lives more convenient.